Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you recipe of crispy corn masala that you can easily make at home with very few ingredients, and it is so healthy and tasty. You can serve it as a tea time snack or you can serve it as a party snack, however you want to serve it. It is so delicious. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. To prepare this recipe, here I am going to use the fresh corns. I have used here 1 cup of fresh corns. I have already removed the corn kernels from the fresh corns, but you can use the frozen corns. Both works perfectly. Take a pan, add 1 cup of water, cover and let the water boil. Once the water comes to boil, remove the lid and add 1 cup of fresh corns and add half teaspoon of salt. Now cover it and boil for 5 minutes until they are soft. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you will notice all the corns are properly boiled and these are little bit bigger in size. You can see closely. Now take a strainer and strain the excess water. To check whether the corns are properly boiled, take 1 corn and then press it in between your finger, and if it is softly pressed, that means these are perfectly boiled. Transfer the sweet corn into the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour, or you can use arrowroot instead of corn flour, both works perfect well. Add 1 teaspoon of maida or all purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, and now mix it until all the corn pieces are perfectly coated. After coating, if you will notice that this is still white, then add few drops of water. Don't add too much water, just few drops of water, and then quickly mix it with a very light hand. After mixing, I have seen few of the corns are not properly coated, so I am going to add 1 teaspoon of more corn flour and then give it a quick mix. After mixing, now cover and set it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you will notice these are properly coated. It has slight moisture. Now into the kadhai or pan, heat up some oil. Oil needs to be medium hot. Keep this type of screen or any steel plate handy so that when you are frying the corns, it won't splatter all over again. Now take a piece of corn and add it into the oil, and if it is pop out quickly, that means the oil is perfect hot. Now add the corns that we have coated and slightly stir it and cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes on low medium flame. After 2 minutes, you will notice it has slight coating, nice light golden color, you can see. Now cover and cook it on high flame for about 2 minutes to make it crunchy. As you are frying it on high flame, some of the corns will pop up, so that's why I told you to keep one screen or the plate. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will notice the color of the corns are dark brown. At this point, remove it into the plate. Carefully remove it. Use the screen, otherwise it will start popping up. One by one, carefully remove all the corns. Now similar way, add the second batch of the corn and fry it on low medium flame first and then high flame. And this is the second batch ready. This is a closer view. This is how it looks like. And now you can hear the crunch of the corns. Perfectly crunchy fried corns. Here I have added 1 finely chopped green chili, 1 to 2 teaspoon of chopped cilantro or dhania. Then add half lemon juice to give it a nice tangy flavor. And as you are adding the lemon, add it before you serve it, otherwise it becomes soggy quickly. Give it a quick mix. And the crispy corn masala is ready to serve. Serve hot with evening tea or as a party appetizer. However you want to serve it, it is so tasty and delicious to eat and very quickly. You can prepare it anytime. When you are preparing this, just make sure to cook it for 2 minutes first on low medium flame and then fry for about 2 minutes on high flame to make it more crispier. Hope you like this easy recipe of monsoon special crispy corn masala. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.